In this video, we are going to talk about sales funnel for ebook. So, if you are a person who is selling ebooks online or you are planning to sell your ebook online, stay till the end of this video because in the end, I'm going to give you multiple bonuses which also include one-on-one consulting with me. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu and I welcome you to my channel. In the end of this video, if you like or dislike my video, just leave a comment so I can improve my videos in the future. So in this video, we are talking about sales funnel for ebook. Now let's talk about how people used to sell these ebook. So usually people create a website where they are directly pitching for their ebook. Now they are not collecting any leads, they are not giving another offer which is an OTO offer, one time offer, or like they are not upselling after selling that ebook. So if you don't know about all these process, we use all this process in the funnel to increase our revenue. Whenever we are selling anything, it can be ebook, courses or anything, we use one time offer, upsell, downsell to increase our revenue. Now what is sales funnel? Sales funnel is a simple process which helps us in converting a random person on the internet, a prospect, into a buying customer. Now, the thing is, how can we use sales funnel for selling ebook? So now let me take you to my screen and show you the simple sales funnel structure and then show you the real funnel people are using for selling their ebook and which you can copy and paste in your business. So as you can see into my screen, this is the simple process you can use to sell your ebook. So in this process, first we'll use the sales page in the first step. In this page, we will give them our book for free. Now we will charge them on the shipping. Now you can say, I'm giving this book to you for free. You just need to pay for the shipping. So now if you can charge them $10 for shipping, right? So you can collect your margins over there. So this is the simple process a lot of marketers are doing and this is working really well for them. So in the first page, we'll sell them this free book and then we'll charge for the shipping, and then in the next step, we'll upsell them. Now what do you mean by upsell? Upsell, we provide them something which is higher in value and we are telling them this is the one-time offer. They cannot have this offer anywhere else. So right now, only right now they can have this offer or have this product at this price range. So now it creates certainty and it creates an urgency for them to buy your upsell. So in the second step, we'll upsell. Like in upsell, you can offer them anything. It can be a one-on-one consulting call. It can be a video course where you are demonstrating them everything about that book. So now this upsell is helping them in learning about that book. So it is related, and now people who are buying your ebook, they are more likely to buy that upsell because it will help them to understand easily all the information which you have given in that book. So in the third step, you will just confirm the order, or you can downsell in the third step. Now in the downsell, if you are selling your book for $10 and you are upselling for $100, in the downsell, you can sell anything in the range of 30 to 40. So now if there are a lot of people who will not buy your upsell for $100. So for them, you will be like, I know you cannot afford $100 right now, but I have another offer for you. So in this way, you will increase your revenue in your business. And the fourth step will be the private member area. In this step, you can connect with those people into different groups. You can send them to your YouTube videos. You can send them to your private Facebook groups. You can connect with them on Instagram or wherever you want. If you have any forum or anything like that, you can do that as well. So it will help you to connect with your audience again and again, and you can sell them in the future while connecting with them in different platforms. So this is the simple sales funnel strategy for selling ebooks online. So now let me show you the real marketers, the big marketers, and how they are using this exact same strategy and selling their books like crazy. So this is the page where Russell Brunson, the owner of ClickFunnels, is selling his first book, which is .com Secret, and what he is doing is he is giving this book for free. Now this is the sales page, and this page is working tremendously well for him, and what I can see is he's showing me a lot of testimonials, people getting results when they have bought this book. Okay, and he's creating urgency while giving us the timer that is going to stop. Okay, and he's doing a lot of things in his sales funnel, which is a different topic. Okay, so what he's doing, he's giving this book for free. So when you will click on this button which says reserve my free copy, it's going to show you this pop-up which is going to ask for your information. It will take all your name, email address, your address where they are going to ship your ebook, like the book, and they are going to ask all the information about your details. Okay, and then when you fill all this information, they will ask you about your card details, where they will charge you for the shipping. Now they are getting all the margins over there, and when after you will click on the submit button, they will take you to the next page where they will give you a OTO offer. It will give you a OTO offer for $100 or $200, where they will try to sell you something for a higher value. They are doing upsell over there, and after that they can give you a downsell offer where they will try to sell you something for a down, like a lower value. So this is how sales funnel work for ebook. So now what you have to do is you have to create this funnel, and then instead of charging them for shipping, you are going to give your ebook for free, and in the next step you can sell them something for higher value. You can give them OTO offer, you can give them upsell or downsell. So now this is how you can increase your revenue while giving your book for free. Okay, now you are not charging for your ebook, but still you are charging them, and if they are not willing to give you their email address for that ebook, they are not going to buy your ebook as well. So this is how exactly you can use sales funnel for your ebook. So if you are a one who want to try and create these sales funnel for your ebook or any of your business, and you are a total beginner, you don't have any technical knowledge, you don't have any knowledge about coding, don't worry. There is a software called ClickFunnels which will help you create sales funnel in very easy way. It's just a drag and drop software, and you can create sales funnel in a single day if you want. I will leave the link in the description where you can go and take your 14 days free trial for ClickFunnels. And if you take your 14 days free trial from the link in the description, I'm going to give you 14 to 15 bonuses. The first bonus will be one-on-one consulting call with me, and another bonus will be proven sales funnel for ebook, and 13 more bonuses where I'll give you multiple sales funnel and multiple courses related to these sales funnel. So all you need to do is take your 14 days free trial from the link in the description and give us a mail, and we'll get back to you and give you all the bonuses. So thank you so much for watching my video till now. All I want from you is give me a comment whether you like or dislike my video, whether you have got some value or not, so I can improve my videos in the future and create better content for you. Thank you so much for watching till now, and see you in the next video.